How to add people to a WhatsApp group. To get started, first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view the chat list. Now open a group chat from the list. Then tap on the group name at the top. Once you're here in this page, scroll down. Tap on this option, Add Members. Then tap on the circle beside the person you want to add to the group. Then, tap on the Add button at the top right corner. Select the option Add from the menu. You can see that the member has been added to the group. He won't be able to see the previous messages, but can now share messages, photos, and videos in this group. So, by following these steps, you can add people to a WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.